Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to have you here. I believe we are a bit behind the schedule, so I will try to be faster, and then we can discuss in the meeting room if you are interested in greater details. So I'm Ondřej Vaněk. I'm co-founder and CEO of Blindspot Solutions, and I would like to touch on the problem of optimizing very large-scale manufacturing and supply chain processes. So quickly about Blindspot, we have been on the market for 7 years, and we are a company based in Prague, Czech Republic. Currently, it's around 70 AI experts focusing on actually quite a wide range of problems. And we are combining various methods from machine learning and optimization to provide solutions for various industries ranging from automotive, cybersecurity, insurance, banking, telco, and so on. And we have our own set of pre-developed products, but we are also developing complete custom solutions from scratch. And what is unique about our approach with respect to, let's say, manufacturing, supply chain management in general is that we are combining two chapters from artificial intelligence, mainly machine learning, basically a set of technologies which are able to learn from data and understand from the data the situation, the reality. And then we are combining the results with mathematical optimization to propose an optimal schedule, optimal plan for execution. We wrap everything into software, so the result is a standalone software application with easy to use user interface. And basically, the users are using very simple application which has quite advanced AI methods in the background. And if I look broader on, let's say, manufacturing and supply chain in general, throughout the years, we have met and executed a huge number of projects and faced numerous problems around. And I have to say that there is opportunity for optimization and machining almost everywhere. With respect to manufacturing, we are active in mostly in automotive, and we are helping the company to be able to schedule and plan for the horizon of 10 years for months, days, but then we are helping them to schedule daily sequences on the production lines. When they are distributing parts or cars around Europe and around the world, we are helping them to actually better load the containers and execute quite complex vehicle routing problems and come up with new routing schemes such that they save quite significant money on distribution. We are helping them to optimize stock levels and inventory in general. And at the end, where we see the customer and market, we are helping them to predict demand. And of course, there is quite, I would say, quite a strong set of activities at the back office where it is necessary to understand how suppliers behave. So basically model the reliability of the suppliers upstream. And of course, at the back office, help them with the tremendous amount of work which they have, which leads to automation of a set of tasks, typically of the communication happening between each sides. And in each of these chapters, we were able to actually achieve quite significant savings or actually new revenue streams. And I think this serves as a very nice example that the set of AI techniques currently being deployed is mature enough to help across a wide range of domains in supply chain. And going a little bit deeper in a few minutes, I wanted to touch quite a typical example of vehicle routing problem where we faced the problem of a company which wanted to optimize their delivery of goods. And their challenge was that they were using a fixed network of let's say, delivery trucks, and their fleet was fixed, and they wanted to change this, outsource part of this activity to local companies and outsource some part of that activity to an international supply company. And based on our optimization platform task, we were able to help them to find, I would say, optimal distribution scheme, focusing on various aspects. So basically costs with respect to external sites, but also with respect to CO2 emissions, which are very sensitive in this area. And the resulting solution, once deployed, was able to help them to schedule the logistics and decompose what should be delivered by in-house transportation fleet and what should be outsourced to local companies and international companies. And the resulting solution helped the company to save around 20% of shipment costs, and we also helped to significantly reduce the CO2 emissions during the process. So this is just a quick peek in a few minutes of what could be done. And if you catch me in the backstage in one of the rooms, I would be happy to talk about any of the problems and any other. So thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Ondřej. Actually, question I have to you. I was quite surprised that you have now already 70 people in your team, because we used to work together on some projects, and I can see you are growing really fast. Tell me how difficult it is to find the right people when you are expanding the team at this moment for you.
Of course, we are always trying to find the best talent available, and we don't want to compromise on the quality of people, because at the end, the solution is delivered by people. So the quality of the solution is directly related to the skills of people. And we are actually looking for software developers, optimization engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists in general, right? So this makes our job a little bit easier, that we actually need quite a wide spectrum of people. On the other hand, for example, with respect to optimization and machine learning, the market, I think, has much higher demand for these people than the supply is. Right. So yeah, and I believe every company speaking here is facing the same problem, maybe on different scale, but we are trying our best.
Very, very likely so. Thank you very much for sharing with us your experience, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.